Yo, what's up everyone, it's News and Views. We're back with a deep dive into the skills you need to thrive in the future job market. We're talking about the top 20 job skills to master before 2025. From AI and cybersecurity, to emotional intelligence and blockchain, this video's packed with the knowledge you need to level up your career game. Whether you're just starting out or looking to make a career switch, this video's for you. So if you're ready to unlock your full potential and future-proof your career, buckle up and hit that subscribe button because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's kick things off with a big one, digital literacy. This is no longer a nice-to-have skill, it's the bare minimum. We're talking about navigating the digital world comfortably, understanding how to use different software platforms and online tools. It's about being comfortable with data, knowing how to find it, analyze it, and use it to your advantage. From healthcare to finance to even creative fields, everything's going digital. The good news is, there are tons of free resources and online courses to help you level up your digital skills. The more comfortable you are with the digital world, the more doors will open for you. Next up, we've got AI and machine learning. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Do I need to be a coding whiz to understand this? And the answer is, not really. AI is automating tasks, analyzing massive amounts of data, and even helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier. The point is, AI is everywhere, and having a basic understanding of how it works will be crucial in the coming years. So, read up on it, watch some explainer videos, and start thinking about how you can leverage AI in your own field. We live in a world overflowing with data, and that's where data analytics comes in. It's about being able to make sense of all that information, find patterns, and draw meaningful conclusions. This isn't just about crunching numbers in a spreadsheet though. Whether you're in marketing, finance, or even healthcare, the ability to analyze and interpret data is like having a superpower. So, dive in, get curious about the data around you, and start unlocking the insights hidden within. Chapter 4. Cybersecurity, protecting our digital lives. With all this digital transformation happening, it's no surprise that cybersecurity is more important than ever. We're talking about protecting our data, our privacy, and our digital infrastructure from cyber threats. Think about it, we're constantly sharing personal information online, from our bank details to our social media activity. Cybersecurity professionals are the ones who make sure that information stays safe. Plus, with the demand for cybersecurity experts skyrocketing, it's a career path with massive growth potential. Chapter 5, Cloud Computing, your digital headquarters. Alright, let's talk about the cloud. Cloud computing is like renting out space on someone else's servers to store your data and run your applications. Cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud are becoming the backbone of the internet, and that's why having some knowledge of cloud computing is becoming increasingly valuable. Whether you're a developer or a business owner, understanding the basics of cloud computing can give you a serious edge. Chapter 6, Emotional Intelligence. The human connection. Now, let's switch gears a bit and talk about a skill that's often overlooked, emotional intelligence, or EQ. EQ is all about understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as recognizing and responding to the emotions of others. It's about building strong relationships, communicating effectively, and navigating social situations with empathy and awareness. In the workplace, EQ is becoming more valuable than ever. It's the key to effective teamwork, leadership, and conflict resolution. Learn to listen actively, practice empathy, and be mindful of your own emotional responses. Chapter 7. Creativity and Innovation, the Spark of Progress. In a world that's constantly evolving, one thing remains constant: the need for creativity and innovation. Every groundbreaking invention, every successful business, every work of art started with a spark of creativity. It's about thinking outside the box, challenging the status quo, and coming up with new and better ways of doing things. Creativity is valuable in every field. Embrace curiosity, explore new ideas, and don't be afraid to fail. Remember, the most innovative solutions often come from the most unexpected places. Chapter 8. Mastering Remote Collaboration, the Future of Work. The way we work is changing, and remote collaboration is here to stay. This means being proficient with tools like Zoom, Slack, and Trello, but it goes beyond just knowing how to use the software. It's about effective communication, clear task management, and building strong relationships with your colleagues, even from a distance. Mastering these skills will be crucial for success in the future of work. Chapter 9. Blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. Alright, let's talk blockchain. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize far more than just finance. Think of it as a digital ledger that's secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. This opens up a world of possibilities, from tracking goods and supply chains to verifying digital identities. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, the demand for experts who understand its intricacies will only grow. The world is changing faster than ever, and the only constant is change itself. That's why resilience and adaptability are no longer just buzzwords. They're essential skills for thriving in the face of uncertainty. It's about having a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities for learning, and being open to new ways of thinking and doing. Resilience and adaptability are the skills that will help you navigate the unknown and come out stronger on the other side. We live in a world saturated with apps, websites, and digital products. And in this crowded landscape, the difference between success and failure often comes down to user experience, UX, and user interface, UI design. A well-designed app or website is a joy to use. It's intuitive, visually appealing, and it just makes sense. UX/UI designers bridge the gap between technology and the people who use it, crafting seamless and enjoyable digital experiences. As the world wakes up to the realities of climate change, the demand for professionals with expertise in green technology and sustainability is skyrocketing. This isn't just about installing solar panels or designing electric cars, it's about rethinking every aspect of how we live and work to create a more sustainable future. As businesses and governments around the world prioritize sustainability, the demand for these skills will only continue to grow. Chapter 13. Critical Thinking: Cutting Through the Noise. We live in an age of information overload, bombarded with news, opinions, and data from every direction. The ability to think critically has never been more important. It's about not just accepting information at face value, but questioning it, analyzing it, and forming your own informed conclusions. In a world where misinformation spreads like wildfire, critical thinking is our best defense. Chapter 14. Digital Marketing: Navigating the Online World. Gone are the days of traditional advertising. In today's digital age, if you're not online, you might as well not exist. We're talking about everything from search engine optimization or SEO to social media marketing to content creation and influencer collaborations. Digital marketers need to be adaptable, data-driven, and always on the lookout for the next big thing. Chapter 15. Healthcare and Biotechnology: Pioneering the Future of Health. The fields of healthcare and biotechnology are undergoing a revolution, driven by breakthroughs in genomics, artificial intelligence, and personalized medicine. This rapid pace of innovation is creating a surge in demand for skilled professionals who can keep up with the latest advancements. If you're passionate about science and technology and want to make a real difference in the world, a career in healthcare or biotechnology could be incredibly rewarding. Chapter 16. Cross-Cultural Competence: Bridging Global Divides. In our increasingly interconnected world, cross-cultural competence is no longer a nice-to-have skill. It's a necessity. Businesses are becoming more global, teams are becoming more diverse, and the ability to navigate cultural differences with sensitivity and understanding is crucial for success. It's about recognizing that people from different cultures may have different communication styles, values, and ways of doing business. In a globalized world, cross-cultural competence is the key to unlocking collaboration, innovation, and success. Chapter 17. Financial Literacy and FinTech: Navigating the Future of Finance. The world of finance is being transformed by technology, and that's where FinTech, or financial technology, comes in. This rapid pace of innovation is creating a demand for professionals who understand both the traditional world of finance and the cutting-edge technologies that are disrupting it. Financially literate individuals with FinTech knowledge are equipped to navigate the complex world of online payments and digital currencies. Chapter 18. Leadership and Strategic Thinking: Shaping the Future. No matter what field you're in, leadership and strategic thinking will always be in high demand. It's about having a vision for the future, setting clear goals, and inspiring others to work towards a common purpose. Developing your leadership and strategic thinking skills will equip you to tackle challenges head-on. Chapter 19. Lifelong Learning: The Never-Ending Upgrade. In a world that's constantly evolving, the only way to stay ahead of the curve is to embrace lifelong learning. This isn't just about formal education. It's about having a growth mindset and a thirst for knowledge. The skills that are in high demand today might be obsolete in a few years. So, how do you stay relevant? The answer is simple: never stop learning. Chapter 20. Ethical decision-making, navigating the moral landscape. As technology becomes more powerful and pervasive, the ethical implications of our creations are becoming increasingly complex. Ethical decision-making is a critical skill for anyone working in technology, business, or any field that impacts society. The ability to make ethical choices will be crucial for building a just and equitable future. So there you have it, the top 20 skills to master before 2025. It's a lot to take in, I know. But the good news is, you don't have to master everything overnight. The key is to start somewhere. Pick 1 or 2 skills that resonate with you and start exploring. Remember, the future of work is all about adaptability, continuous learning, and a willingness to embrace new challenges. The most important thing is to keep moving forward and never stop evolving.